Namaste, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. The law of attraction is a law, just like the law of physics. It is always working. What does the law of attraction do? It begins to bring us more of whatever it is that we vibrate with. What we vibrate with comes from what we are thinking, what we are feeling, and what we are doing. This means that whenever we think, we feel, or we act, it is accompanied by a vibration. And this vibration is what the law of attraction responds to. We always get what we vibrate. We may not always get what we want, but we always get what we vibrate. So if you're trying to use the law of attraction to manifest your goals and to achieve your dreams, from today itself, please start focusing on your vibration. You must be aware of what vibration you are in. This vibration can then guide you towards your dreams and your desires. If you choose your vibration consciously and try to be in a positive state of vibration, you, my dear friends, will be able to control what comes into your life. You will be able to achieve all the things you want. Whether it is a successful career, more money, loving relationships, even good health and vitality. If you are new to the law of attraction or wish to know if you're doing it right, then watch this video. I'm going to share with you some important steps in the manifestation process. As you go through these steps, you will not only understand how to go after what you want, you will also understand what is the best way to manifest your goals quickly and, most importantly, joyfully. After all, we don't want to achieve our goals under pressure and stress, isn't it? So let's get started. So let's go through all these steps one by one and ensure that we are adopting them in our lives today in order to become more conscious creators of our own lives. Number 1, identify what you want. You must be clear about what you want in your life, especially about what success truly means to you. A clear vision is a very important foundation for success in life. A clear vision is important for you to enable your subconscious mind to bring you pictures and images that will change your vibration and manifest your desired reality. So, how do we ensure we are adopting this step? Make a list of your goals, your desires, your passions, your dreams. This is not simply about quickly writing down all the things that you want. It is about taking a pen and paper, sitting with yourself in silence for some time, and asking yourself, what is it that will really make you happy? What is it that would truly add value to your life if it comes into your life? You see, my dear friends, very often we don't attract our goals because we are probably pursuing wrong goals. Many times we lack motivation to pursue our dreams because we are probably chasing the wrong dreams. Your heart knows what is it that you really need in your life. So this exercise is about sitting with yourself in silence, connecting with your own heart and the intelligence within your own heart. And once you start listening to your own inner guidance, you will not only write the goals that are truly meant for you, you will also get ideas how to pursue your dreams and your goals. This process and step, therefore, is extremely important. If you haven't already done this, please make sure you are doing this in the manner that I have just described for you. The second step, but a very important part of the manifestation process: believe in yourself. If you believe something is going to happen, every part of your body conspires, contributes to make it happen in your life. Many of you ask, why is it that I haven't achieved my goal yet when I really want it? Answer is, you probably do not believe or even expect to get it. There's a difference between wanting something and expecting it to happen in your life. If you expect failure, you attract failure. If you believe you will succeed, success will come to you. The most powerful factor, therefore, to achieve success in life is self-belief. Law of attraction responds to your beliefs because your beliefs make up your vibration. Your vibration is nothing but your thoughts, ideas, and beliefs. Self-belief will enable you to stay aware and alert at all times. Aware and alert to many opportunities that could come your way for you to attract your success. Self-belief gives you confidence, power, and courage to act at the right time and in a right manner, such that your desires and goals will come to you without struggle and stress. How do we start believing in ourselves? For that, ensure every day you connect with your goals and dreams list. Read every goal on your list with a big smile on your face. You can even come in front of a mirror, smile looking at yourself, and speak aloud each goal on your list, one by one, slowly and lovingly. If you read your goals or speak aloud your goals with love and passion, your subconscious mind will pick up your excitement, will pick up your joy relating to your goals, and it will start to bring you resources that you need to make these goals a physical reality. Another way you can develop self-belief is by positive self-talk. Start talking to yourself in a manner that encourages you and inspires you to go after your dreams. If people have wronged you in some way, if people have said mean things to you or discouraged you, simply reverse these very things they have done to you by using positive statements. For example, if somebody has told you, you don't have it in you to make it big, or this is not going to be possible, reverse these negative statements into positive ones like, I have everything that I need to live my dream life. The universe supports me in every possible manner to make my dreams a reality. I have the power to manifest my dreams and goals. Statements like these will build confidence. Why? Because every word you speak, the subconscious connects and engages with. The more positive words you speak in the day, the more you will feel emotionally connected with your desires and goals. The more positive your vibration will be, the more faster your dreams and desires will come into your life. Number 3, and a very important step in the manifestation process, is taking action. The law of attraction has the word action in it. So make sure at all times you follow your inner guidance and gut and take actions towards your goals. But remember, taking action alone is not enough. Simply doing something is not enough. You have to do the right thing in the right manner. And you know what this right thing in a right manner means? Being in a positive state of mind and vibration. You must be in the right vibration when you take action. If your vibration is not right, even a good thing will not turn out right. And a right vibration is when you are feeling joyful and, most importantly, peaceful instead of feeling hopeless and hurt. Can you recall the number of times something worked out well for you when you were angry or upset? Probably not. When you're feeling hopeless and hurtful, even if you're doing something that is right, it will still turn out wrong for you in your life because you are not in the right vibration. You talk to somebody in anger, even if your point is right, they probably will not accept your point of view. Why? Because the way you're communicating to them is lacking power that it needs to influence them positively. So start becoming mindful of the thoughts that are going on in your mind. If you're not feeling good, try to make your mood by either listening to some good music, going out for a walk, talking to someone you love. Divert your mind by reading a good book or simply watch something funny. You can even start using positive statements to reverse your mood and your feelings. Slowly, with practice, you will be able to shift your vibration very quickly. You will start becoming more peaceful and joyful. The state of joy and peace are powerful states where you will not only be able to listen to the guidance of the universe coming to you, you will also start expecting good things coming to you. We all know when we start expecting good, we start attracting more good in our lives. So, these are steps which are important parts of the manifestation process that will help you make the law of attraction work more consciously for you. Never lose hope, my dear friends. You may go through some rough cycles and tough phases in your life, but if you try to read more about the mind, understand how your mind works, start consciously using the law of attraction, you are bound to get results. All you have to do is just be consistent with your practices. And whatever you do, please do it with a smile on your face. You cannot be using laws of manifestation and the law of attraction being angry or upset. You have to be in a peaceful state, a joyful state, and then all the goals and desires on your list will be attracted towards you. You won't have to go chasing them. I hope this video inspires you to adopt these beautiful, powerful practices and steps and to be more disciplined and focused in achieving your goals. Here's wishing you all the very best. If you liked this video, then do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.